Quick review time. A company called Captain Itch. They make a heat shield, kind of like a saddle for your Harley. Well, probably any bike. I think Harley Indian. Well, I'm about to put one on my Road Glide. I'm going to show you what it's all about. It's kind of cool. This is the saddle. Whoops. This is the saddle. I got the Punisher logo on it. Comes with a bunch of different logos. It's basically a saddle. It's nice leather. You can see it. This is the company right here. CaptainItch.com. Captain Itch. Let's put it on. Let's see what it's about. It attaches right under the seat. Let's take a look. Okay, I just put it on. It took about 4 minutes. It took me longer to take the seat off than it did to put it on. I have the stretched Avan Black tank covers, so it's a little bit tougher, so I kind of put it under. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but the whole idea is to keep the heat from hitting you. Kind of looks cool. I like it. What do you think? Take a look. And obviously the same on the other side. So if you like it, put in the comments. It's CaptainItch.com, Captain-Itch.com. I'll put the link in the comments. Let me know what you think. Like it, don't care. Too much, too little. Different logos. The logos are kind of cool to have. I still wish it was a little bit bigger, but let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. See you at the next one.